everyone and welcome. When you want something simple and easy for dinner but don't want the dishes you make regularly, try baking potatoes in milk. Let's set the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the potatoes, first, let's chop the onion and garlic. I like to have onions in salted dishes, therefore I'm using quite a lot of it. If you're not a fan, reduce the amount. And let's heat the frying pan on the stove. I'm using a pan which I can also put in the oven. I will use about 1 tablespoon of pork fat to fry the onion and garlic. You can also use butter or cooking oil. Let's fry the onion and garlic on medium heat till they are somewhat transparent. I am adding salt, thyme, ground nutmeg and ground peppers to the dish and will fry them together with the onion and garlic. When the onion and garlic are fried, let's add milk in the pan. Stir and leave it to simmer on low heat while getting potatoes ready. I will grate the potatoes on the grater in thin slices. The thinner the slices, the better, but you can also cut the potatoes in slices if you prefer. The potatoes are ready. Let's assemble the dish and bake. I will put a layer of potatoes in the pan, some cheese on top, and another layer of potatoes, repeating till I have put all the potatoes in the pan and finish with the cheese layer on top. If you bake the potatoes in another dish, you can pour the milk with onions also gradually between the layers so that onions and garlic are distributed throughout the dish. Use the cheese you like. I grated the cheeses I had at home and have some mozzarella, cheddar, and grana padano in the mix. I try to have the potatoes leveled throughout the pan but don't push them. The milk should not cover the potatoes but should be visible on the sides of the pan, almost to the same level as potatoes. Let's cover the pan with a piece of aluminum foil and put in the oven to bake for about 50 minutes, 1 hour. Check the potatoes with a knife to make sure they're soft. If you want the top to be crunchier, remove the aluminum foil about 10 minutes before finishing to bake. Remove the dish from the oven, let it cool for a few minutes, and enjoy. Thank you for joining me today and see you next week. Bye!